Good day, YouTube team. I make this video to appeal my YouTube channel, ACTV channel, because my channel is demonetized because of the reuse content. I hope you give me a second chance to prove myself that I make sure my video of my channel is my own video. Sorry if I make mistake in my upload YouTube channel video. Next time I make sure that all my video in my YouTube channel is my own video. My video content in my YouTube channel is vlogging, cooking, and singing. I hope you acknowledge my apologize and asking a second chance for back to my YouTube channel monetize. Thank you, YouTube team. This is my editing video I used to edit my video content in my YouTube channel. I hope you understand my apologize and asking a second chance to back monetize my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, YouTube team.